I am in the community of Arlington, Tennessee today. Arlington is a small community that sits about 25 miles northeast or so of Memphis. It's along the CSX line between Memphis and Nashville. I think it's known more precisely as the Memphis subdivision, which is part of the Nashville division. And the subdivision runs between Memphis and Brewston, Tennessee. It's not a real active line. It's the western terminus for CSX in this area. They exchange traffic in Memphis with the Western Railroads and Canadian National running north and south. It's a neat little community. It's founded, probably 150 years ago or so. I'm gonna make my way across the tracks here, over to the little park on the other side. That's looking west back toward Memphis. Here we go.